Hi, directions for indents, tabs, and hanging indent. Go ahead and open the file. And it is actually 5 paragraphs that are exactly the same. They're all 5 same paragraphs. If your ruler is not showing, click the View tab and check off Ruler. That way it's visible. We'll be using the ruler. This actually, for your left margin, is 3 different pieces. The top part, the triangle facing down, is called first line indent. The middle one is called hanging indent. And then the box on the end is called left indent. And over on the far right is a right indent. So the first thing you'll notice is that each paragraph ends with a jagged right margin, because the default, if you click home, is left margin. So if we do Control A, which selects all of the paragraphs, and then go ahead and either press Control J or click Justify, so it makes all the paragraphs even. The first paragraph we'll leave as is, starting at the left margin. Click anywhere in the second paragraph. You don't have to select anything. And we want first line indent. So hover to the top triangle, and when it says first line indent, carefully hold and drag it to the 1/2 inch marker, and it just brings the first line in, therefore first line indent. If you were to choose the paragraph dialog box launcher, you could also have changed it from here, from none to first line indent and 1/2 inch. The next one, what we'll do, again be anywhere in that paragraph, is you want to indent it a full inch from the left margin. So if you select up in the paragraph group, it's increase indent, it's going to go to a 1/2 inch on the left, the whole paragraph, and then one more time for a full inch, leaving the right as it is. And again, if you click the paragraph dialog box launcher, you'll notice the indentation on the left is 1 inch, not first line indent, the entire left margin. For the fourth paragraph, click anywhere in it, and what we want to do is indent it just a 1/2 inch on the left, but also a 1/2 inch on the right. So you can hover up to the right margin until it indicates that the right margin marker is selected, and drag it from 6.5 to 6. What you could have done is gone into the paragraph dialog box launcher and notice the indentation is a 1/2 inch on the left and the right. Or if you actually click the layout tab, you'll notice that the indent is left a 1/2 inch and the right a 1/2 inch. In the last paragraph, click anywhere in the last paragraph, and what you want to do is hover till you have hanging indent, and then drag that a 1/2 inch. Hanging indent leaves the first line at the left margin, and all the rest of the lines are indented at that 1/2 inch mark. And again, if you click the paragraph dialog box launcher, you'll notice that the special indentation is hanging and a 1/2 inch. And okay. Another shortcut to do that would be, if I just bring this back to the left margin, is my favorite because it's so short and easy to remember, Control T. And if you accidentally went Control T too far for your hanging indent, Control Shift T goes backwards. So Control T is your hanging indent. And that's good. Go ahead and save and submit. Thank you.